Alright guys, welcome to the Gulfstream Park, racing, casino, shopping. This is in Hollywood, approaching Hollywood. Just gonna take you guys on a quick tour. So it's the usual setup. You have the shopping district, you have the stores, you have the food places. You also have live horse racing as well. That's way over that side. Also have some monsters down here I'm gonna look at. This is a furniture home store, West Helm. So right here we have a statue of a dragon and a flying horse. It's very big, very big. So they said it's the same Pegasus sign, represents the Pegasus. That's the horse defeating the dragon. Alright, so we're back out where the shops are at. So this is the shopping district. Alright, so this is where I leave you guys, the Gulfstream Park, shopping, horse racing, golfing, sports bar, shopping for clothes, bowling, food, Pegasus Park. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe if you're new so you can get more.